Eto Obuasi krono ewo Ashanti region krono mu aye butubutu nyina ne se enro anadwono ana video ba ya ke se Obuasi sectek enkoda no omakwachi headmaster akobu na ma headmaster no eyewu abeda akwato Comfort Teaching Hospital na de si ya ne adekodie nti ankran kwachi headmaster ebo ne de meto chirim ewa because I witness for abekasa ana situational reporters omu a asem ni si omanimo no na omu ho no mo na omu so abekasa secret ewo entrance ho no so abechire nsem se ne emaburu no esiba ho no mo anything is equify more hanamo as my host Penyah broken the best was any mo obe like video no dama but subscribe button and click the notification icon of latest update na better the word and ama me e work comment section obaso a no wa for senya bia hwe me kan phone la money na peda de ama o USA NUK open sense ka edbe fi ayenala na 20 no bia de sense ka be fi o mo transactions no very fast o send ya na edu fi for promo code Penyah TV no be 20 amazing dollars. Now let's go to the story. I was saying run adwunu mo Ben na imu holo na ka me kwa koda kra. I don't say video be air trending on social media, especially TikTok. Anya say oko Obuasi a baby Anglo Gold Ashanti e won Anglo Mines baby e won e won some making. School one my friend Obuasi Sectors a technical school. Obuasi Senior High Technical School. Now that school omu headmaster ene Mr. Abdullahi Zakaria. Na anu anadwo ene ko ban say enkoda no asiafo no as eye mema BBC ye Emma omu believe the headmaster no ena a course that adekode Emma omu koche headmaster no e ko pu ni prepare no Emma ensem nyina ne se school for the chiremu se omu hu se headmaster no wo tutu baabi wo twa amene bi na se o sie bi bo hwene se ya akora ketwa je se akora amomu bilibi se akora no either say one headmaster and any student akoya abortion ana akora no headmaster akosie no ana se headmaster akoku akora bi ena ebe sie no school no mo e dia be nyankomade Emma no esuafo no eko bo headmaster no pa prepare no a ebusuana enye brokuma omo bo na nkasa ebro de ebi ko headmaster Mr. Zakaria ebi ko the widie mu peye Emma no anadwo no omo go piem Comfort Teaching Hospital ye cat Comfort omo go piem e ho my teacher ni headmaster oje ayarehwe.
What can you report on this matter?
Well, MFA, as of now, the details we have indicate that the headmaster is still receiving treatment at the Comfort Teaching Hospital. We are still picking details that police have stationed at Obuasi Secondary Technical School this afternoon, and they are yet to confirm to us how the investigation process is going to look like, or when they are going to start with it all. But we can confirm that the fetus was being removed from the school campus, and then the students are now all over campus stranded because academic activities have halted at this moment. And so this is what we have for now, MFA.
Well, that's quite scanty, by the way, but very interesting. But we can confirm that the headmaster is quite well and receiving treatment as we speak.
Well, that his health condition is unknown, but we're being told that he received serious injuries from the mob attack, and he's at the emergency ward of the Comfort Teaching Hospital. His condition is a bit scanty. We do not know that for now, but the details that we pick is that the attack was quite serious because the students really did assault him, and they did not even wait for him to hear his side of the story because they were enraged by the details that they shared with us.
So the allegation is just that they saw the headmaster bearing something they suspect is fetus, and the fetus they suspect is coming from the school, and coming from the school they suspect is an abortion that has happened on campus, Nana.
Exactly so, Mefa. So they say that the headmaster engaged in sexual acts with one female student and had forced the lady to abort the child. After pressing on the lady to abort the child, which the lady refused, he further went ahead to give the lady some substances, which led to the baby that she was carrying to come out. And after that, he then decided to bury the child on the school compound. This was inside the bush, as they normally call it. One of the students saw the headmaster also coming out of the bush. When the headmaster had left, he further went ahead to see what he was going to do inside the bush. Then he realized that there was a fetus in there, and he called on his colleagues to come and then see what was there. After they saw the fetus, they approached the headmaster. In fact, it became rumors all over campus that the headmaster had engaged in sexual engagement with one of the students, then prompting him to call on the student to abort the baby. And then that abortion, or that fetus we saw, is what the headmaster had gone ahead to bury, and then leading to them assaulting or attacking him.
Well, what's that situation on campus as we speak? Have they shut the school down? Do we know anything about this young lady who's supposed to be a student as well?
Well, MFA, what we know right now is academic activities have halted at Obuasi Tech. Police are on campus making sure that there's calm, because this was something that was popping up as a protest. And so right now, there's heavy security presence on campus. Academic activities have been halted. We are being told that school authorities are also engaging with the police, providing them with details to make sure that they commence with all the investigations that they need. We are also being told that the headmaster has heavy security with him at Confanoche Teaching Hospital as he continues to receive treatment. The whereabouts of this young lady who is alleged to have committed the abortion hasn't been known yet.
Nana, thank you for the update.
Now, instance is na amafo says na there cry na course here. Said the amafo cast headmaster no. Omlu say bia akra no osie no fair to that is abortion. And bia teacher ni obi aye and obesie anaso kokun akora bi e be nyankoma de e wo small no no. Ensem be akra e no wo etimi hu se nipa bi aba TikTok live. Na omu di nkomo ever headmaster na incident na ho no enum che se man yi kwa no no oyo occultic man. Just say omu what is the omu pray spirit ni bi no spiritism no man yi waka ho bi as na omu edwan semu on that particular TikTok live ne so
obi abuna na so wakọ bia
Ibrahim Kaklawa
Ibrahim so Mr. Moa information in a PN media they about the false information me join it me call obi PT Emma no and omo me contact enti parents no teachers for ne adi parent or PTA so no ye de me kan ho omo nim se me nya parent so it's no chairman PTA chairman or that school na no e information about tum sisi a information no dey aba no only parent ba ko parent no school mo sisi a senka TikTok yetumi send audio na camera tum obi atie unim say maame no ko school mo no wakwa akutie omu sie akwala bia o headmaster no ohun oye occult headmaster no join occult entin occult no endra ne rituals no ma enye nipa hu bibia ne pot ne nioma bia o kosie oni teacher ni omo fe ne maza ene madam Mira ene kwa akosie entin kwala no be hu se omo tutu amena ne nioma di sie fom no ene omo ye den omo panic se e bia nipa won se headmaster ne ye fokin no omo den se nipa na o kosie na kwala ne de panic ne ade ye den e ko to share no so Emma teachers for me no maka ho ni dwane ye enti chairman no the information about tumu sisi a say parent no regional chairman for Ghana education any for the helicopter and pass over the helicopter into the say obeko school mu ha by 12 mu ho omo the helicopter ba school mu ho ba be meeting kwala ni nyina na o ma ye meeting either say be man kwala na ba fie ana say the omo work no omo ni o maka so ati say headmaster no oni police station or the hospital headmaster no or the hospital chairman no echo ne ho so hu chairman na ko hospital ho on headmaster na ko kasa na headmaster na kasa no kuremi onsie obi a ne occult a oye ne rituals ne o ma na wo ko akosie so ati ase se na be ya be ma like on say ne power on say school mu de e so won so utimi ben ohun na utimi command dem na ade so ati ase
exactly
eti headmaster on say e bro na ade no agenesa
yeah okay but utie for now no dear even cross school no be try say on be defend school no any monyam na e wo no omo be try say be defend normal bia ebe ma school no din enkosai what you say for now no dey nim bebe no ko na den even man even say head no e bi o school mo na say enye nipa kura wa fom why mistake a school what about say the ocean school more global ebe has school
maame no before say chairman need information betu mu no maame no parent baako efini fi akosukun to parent baako efini fi akosukun ho a ono so information to parent platform no so wahu onsie bibia maame no kura de o te say nipa kuma ba mu na ayesie no ena ne yem hyehye no otu ka ko school ho ena ono akọ gada information enipasie bia mbae omunsie obia wo school mu ho
dia na na odi
teachers for no aware say the occult ni o ma na osie so what I
say boss what about say the ocean of form on no ebe hantim kwala no so a ebe kan
okay one say information say all man information or public you have to be vivid so what I say
no cre
you have to be vivid me na mo can say e nipa no wakosie meanwhile port no kra no police for na fa no won nyina de ko kwala nipa bia anka ho so what I say
oye me class teacher wo wa chairman me kon the class oye physics teacher wa chairman di ojaben what you say it's minimum no and I got to say ya de money me ko ojaben say me ko to me seniors for bebre no mo bebre johnny okot bebre johnny no mo sorry bebre johnny on kumo bia mine no owani say onu say your school say to he na wo ha adwin school a otia wa obeba fon sa no tie e no no so say no onye your friend say
onye mo bi school
what I think so you be different
punishment so no the amount
what you say you
the o kan nyina yenim de ko no ma me chiro ade say ebia obia ti ko bebi kwaji ade be shefom but me ti kwaji ade enfam be shefom o fi ana meboa anaga government hospital we never see my watching me no na me ba be government hospital for na be show etinu headmaster ni say you can yenim say no crow be say odi bibia se form a wa form
yeah headmaster ni the form that wa form
headmaster ni na phone su bia na minimum headmaster minimum no
mine no onye nipa boni ni said omu e dia na boys na emi no onye ya be na boys na emi
but as far as I no cre and as I no cre dey me free come hono omu a omu so munimo no a omu costume no pen omu afa master ni sebu pen omu kire say master no or your occultic man as a oppress spiritism or the diagro or the spiritism sem ni ne manema sem occultism sem no or the diagro but then one of call school man no campus no security na owo hono no ene onzo kasa ye no we ene sem a odema ensem trefo
ni entie ni say me wa ha na me ti dede far end dede ni koso ti me bo pem kakra ko dia ka kwan na no ho no inside ho ehu sem kola ni kuta sekan ni ade Yamdi ye ko na yeba ye ko na yeba me nyo bi wa ha mbisa na hwe me nyo bi mbisa na hwe na ja mbisa me kina mbetena nti prekupa ne mhu ne sen ko di yo whole lot of students sikan ma say ko yem ko ya o bubu ko ya ni ade o ina. So I was even fortunate to say they did not harm me. I just had some little then there, my local gate. Gate in there, my local community. They couldn't come out too. Very good. Then the boy near this, more a sign a coy. So the police came. About 4 patrol teams. That's no mobile. I was thinking, say maybe one shot, but could be crab a corner can colano. I come down, but we did not hear anything. Still, Uncle Colano said, you, Yamuyano, I say, headmaster, feel they condemn.
What's up?
Headmaster, I feel now.
That's a vision winning runner. I dare CSC or Obuasi Tech, a Obuasi Senior High Technical School. Abra, headmaster, Mr. Zakaria Abdullahi. It's your for coaching, no. A couple no much room say mine, no. We see Akoda, it was come home. Akoda to some of the students say, a boys and only students, maybe I'm a student, and we see it from. And now say, and Korani be, maybe I could have no cocono, and ordinary barbarian command. It was because I'm not say a police for Abana, I could pierce come on, I say. Omo account situation omo na ho no member of parliament omo account situation any ho no MC omo akọ mama omo account me down situation no.
Everybody is fine. Are you all well? Calm down. All go to the assembly hall.
amesi ade yegu so twen e bompa so etare Mr. Abdullahi Zakaria echi ese nyamuna hwe no so na wangu cause bra nkra no bro no ande na enya broketo akra enya broketo many was dia sem be fuma to bia na nukura bia wo mu bia no nse dia e be pia bontene na eba so a e ba be yudwa mu amuate ese until then I Penyah block media beto chira wadwen e dia mame e wo comment section akra.